don't get that either. Incognito is that's going to remain incognito. So I'm afraid for that reason I'm out.
It was Theo Paphitis who wrapped up Alan Patricia's time in the den.